Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Early farming communities needed lots of workers. Traditionally, Hakka people would cook niu wen shui as a treat for hard-working farmhands. The first word of the snack's name is niu, meaning cow. To avoid the heat, farm cows like to soak in the river, only showing their heads and backs. Hakka people thought the sticky snack made of rice balls with brown sugar looked like a cow in the water, and that's how it got its name.
Hello, everybody. It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
大家好，我是 Tim Berge。
我们上次就教大家是米做的东西嘛，你还记得上次教的怎么讲吗？
起白。
嘿，对，我们这次教的呢也是跟起白一样用米做的，不过它的吃法不一样。
Okay, so today we're going to talk about another delicious Hakka snack, which is also made from rice, but it's going to be a little bit different than the moji that we ate last time. So what are we going to have today?
今天要教大家的叫做扭温水。
扭温水。
嘿，扭温水。
扭温水 What's 扭温水 What's that?
你就想象一下那个水牛啊，它泡在那个河水里头，它只露出它的
背，
对背，
OK，
就是圆圆的嘛，对不对？
是，
所以看起来就像一个水牛，
就泡在那个水里面的。Okay. So today we're having the 扭温水。And that is actually a rice confection which is then put into a bowl of sweet soup. And so it looks like a water bowl resting in the water. Well, that's really interesting. So how do we make this?
扭温水的做法呢，跟起白是差不多的。
是
这个呢，是先把米把它磨碎之后呢，把水分弄干，再来呢把它搓圆，看是要用煮的或用蒸的都可以。但重点呢是蒸熟之后呢，它的吃法不一样，是在于沾黑糖水，用无糖还有姜麻去煮勾为更为水。
Okay, so this is on just the opposite of the qibai. So the rice is first ground and then it's steamed. But the important point is it must be served in the sweet sugar water with the brown sugar and maybe even some ginger too. Well, that sounds really delicious.
好，那我再教大家刚刚讲到的黑糖，客家话怎么讲？叫无糖。
无糖就是黑糖，就是 brown sugar.
无糖作为叫做无糖水。
无糖水 is a sweet broth made from brown sugar.
另外一种就是姜汤、姜麻糖、
姜麻糖，
也可以叫姜麻水。
姜麻水 So it's a broth made from ginger. Leo, that sounds really great. So next time I stop by a Hakka community, I'm going to have to try the 扭温水。
好啊。
So that's it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家按时说，
张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.